Hello guys, in this video, I will be showing you an hydrogen generator made by me. You can see this is my 12 volts battery. I'll be connecting the 12 volt battery to the source here, and it will be producing only hydrogen gas. Watch me do it. First, positive. For the positive, just watch the water. The moment I connect the negative to it, watch. Can you see it? Look at it again. You can see hydrogen being produced. All you can see is just ordinary water. Ordinary water. Watch. Let me tighten it so you will see it well. You see hydrogen. Watch. Watch. Can you see? Look at gas. That's pure hydrogen gas. Smoke. It's very, very dangerous. I'm not done with the project yet. When I'm done, I will connect it to a water solution. Then with the other pipe, I will be able to tap pure hydrogen from this. All you can see is pure hydrogen. Very, very powerful. And also dangerous. It's just normal drinkable water. Normal water is get in your house, tap water. It's just with a 12 volt battery. That's all you need. 12 volt battery, a normal tap water, and with my setup here, this is how the hydrogen is being produced. And this must be a pure vacuum. Watch. You can see pure vacuum. Don't let any part of the air to escape. You can see the way I did it here. When I'm done with the project, I will be able to test it, and you will see it produce flame. Just the use of just ordinary water to produce hydrogen. So see you in the next video.